Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you my first e-bike, and I am gonna mount it for the first ride. The box looks like it was opened on the side, but let's hope the bike was not out of the box already. Let's put the staples away. This is my first e-bike, so I did not want to pay too much for it. Let's see what's inside. Well, it don't look like it was opened, so that's a good thing. We have the charger right there. But it looks new and unmounted. I don't know, I just thought that the side opening has something to do with the fact that the bike was already to someone and then resold. I noticed later that the front wheel has scratched the frame a little bit. You can see it in every layer of protection. But they don't have the bike in stock anymore, so I don't care. It looks solid enough. Let's get to the mounting part. Step 1. You mount the handlebar. There are only 4 screws you need to tighten. Then straighten it. Step 2. You mount the front wheel. You will need to tighten the 2 side screws. Then you have to center the wheel, so it doesn't rub against anything. Now that we all good, we can move to the next step. Step 3. You normally get the bike without the mud protection. So you just need to mount the front light, but I'm gonna mount both now. Then you set the handlebar as you prefer, and tighten the 4 screws. Step 4. You mount the pedals. That's easy, you just need to see which is right and which is left. And finally, step 5. You mount the battery. For that you need the battery safety key. That was all. Now let's turn it on. The display is big and easy to use. You can find all settings in the user manual. The bike can be used just to help you pedal, or you can use it in full electric mode. You can set the speed limit from 1 to 50 km per hour, depending on the law in your country. So check that before you are riding illegal. That was all for now. Riding and testing video coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and see you next time.